Hey guys, I want to go ahead and show you this 75-watt lunchbox. This is a heated lunchbox, and I want to go ahead and actually open it up with you. So let's open it up. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so it looks like there's some instruction booklet and instruction booklet. It's pretty simple. And on the inside, okay, this is actually really nice. This is a black color with teal blue. This is actually going to be the handle, which is nice and rubbery. That's actually kind of cool. These two are going to flip up, and it's actually going to go ahead and open. There is a little cover here that actually holds your fork and your spoon, which, look, it comes with. And there's a rubber seal actually all the way around this to be able to seal this off when you have it closed. Inside of the container, there is a cute little bag for you to be able to go ahead, a thermal bag for you to be able to put your lunchbox in. This little container is actually going to go ahead and carry your fruit and then, of course, your cords. This will actually go ahead and pop out for you to be able to put your food in. So let's say you had a really good casserole that you were wanting to go ahead and warm up. You would fill this up with your casserole. This little container could carry your fruit, vegetables, whatever it may be. It does snap closed, and then you can actually put it there like that for storage. When you're ready to go ahead and heat up everything, you would take out your fruit because you don't want hot fruit. Store it all back together, and then you're going to take one of two power cords. You're going to take either your cigarette lighter or the power cord itself, and I'm going to go ahead and undo this. And on the side of the container here, this actually is going to pop open, and you're going to plug this in. Plug this into the an outlet where it will actually go ahead and warm up your food. You would go ahead and close it like so to be able to carry it around. Go ahead and plug it in, and then you can leave it to go ahead and actually warm up your food. Let me show you what this light looks like. Okay, so there's the light you can see. Now I'm having to kind of turn it a little bit because the light is actually kind of hidden a little bit. It's like kind of in a weird little spot. You can't really see it very well just like that. So anyway, but that's what the light looks like to tell you that it's actually being heated. The only way to actually turn this item off if you don't want it to be heated is to actually just unplug it from here as well as from your outlet. Now, the bag itself is actually really cool. Let me unplug this. Put this together. This actually is made of rubber. The entire container is actually made of plastic except for that silver little tray that actually holds all your food. But this is actually going to hold your container like so, your lunchbox like so. Flatten out this little edge. And then you can actually go ahead, once you zip it up, it will actually carry everything that you're needing. There is a front little pocket here, but I think what I like best about this little bag is that it is thermal. So if you went ahead and warmed up your food to begin with and actually put it in this, I bet it would stay fairly warm for quite some time. And you'd only have to heat it up for a very short period of time. So anyway, I just wanted to go and show that to you. There is a little bit of space here on the top that you can see from the side that you can actually put like a bag of chips or a Coke or whatever it may be. But you can actually fold this down a little bit and then hold it from the bottom and pull the whole thing out. So I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you because this is a very cute little lunchbox. If you are looking for someone a gift for this season or for any other holiday or birthday gift, and they happen to have limited access to a microwave, this would actually be very perfect for them.